Hey gang, welcome to another video. I'm actually doing an unboxing today. Here's said box, a little big to fit in the camera, and I didn't want to like show off the addresses and stuff on it. So what this is a box from our friends at Tractor Fab. Kent Lowen, if you might know, has purchased Tractor Fab recently, or well, within the last year or so, and he is getting inventory out and built, and I really enjoyed the photo etched parts that Tractor Fab has made over the years. So, of course, when the things came available that I like to use, I decided I needed some. So, big thanks to Kent and Tractor Fab for getting things back going and working. Real quick, if you don't mind, please like, share, or subscribe if you haven't done that. It just helps out the channel a little bit. Kind of in the summer doldrums here in the video world, so every like helps. And please also comment down below on what you think of these awesome Tractor Fab parts that we're going to show you, and then also just comment on some videos you might want to see from me. So anyway, guys, let's start. Expanded metal. This is brass. This is the fine. So this has some uses like for grills, on tractors or trucks, even things of that nature. A lot of other kind of fun uses for this. So look forward to seeing that in some future projects from me for sure. So you can see, whoops, got a little dirt on there. I ordered a couple of those, and then I also ordered a couple hog gates, 1/64 scale. Now, you might be wondering, what does a guy like me doing with hog gates? Well, one, I don't have hogs, but two, I'm actually thinking about using these as some grating on the floor of my shop as kind of a drain. So we'll see how that works, and I'll get back to you at the end of the day if that works. And but I think I'm onto something there with that. I really like the looks of this, and I think it could be pretty cool. You know, like great to drain out mud, water, sort of. Now here is the pack O parts, if you will. So I ordered various parts here, and I'll show you. Like I said, I really like Tractor Fab parts. I just love the brass. It's great to work with and all that. So, first up, we got some John Deere. These are modern style weights for your 1/64 scale tractor. And you might be asking yourself, why not just 3D print these? Well, one, I love the detail on these. And two, I can put as many or as few as I want on a tractor of these. I think that's important, and it kind of helps out. Makes it a little easier than 3D printing. The next thing, and I've gone through these in the past like crazy, steering wheels. So these are awesome. So you basically just run a straight pin through the center, and you've got yourself a steering wheel. Several different styles there for various tractors that you might have. Up next, another fantastic detail part. I got several packages of these windshield wipers. So it's little things like this. Now you might think like, okay, why would I spend a couple bucks on some simple little windshield wipers like this? These really add to a tractor or a truck, and it's not a modification that maybe a lot of people wouldn't even notice, but when a tractor has those, you can tell that something's there that's interesting, that's making it a little nicer, or at least in my opinion. I always kind of look for little things like that when I'm looking at a custom tractor. So next up, Tractor Fab has some tools, so you can set these on like toolboxes, you can hang these on a wall in your shop, things like that. I'm just going to use those to decorate around various places on the model farm. Another of my absolute favorite detail parts, door latches. So yeah, I got that the wrong way. I don't know how well this will show up on camera anyway. But door latches, absolutely love those. They really dress up a tractor. The bottom row in particular, I use an absolute ton of those. So I bought several packages of those. Looks like I got maybe 5 or 6 packages of those. So, and there's some more tools. Then, next up, these are an international style split wheel weight. Look at those. Those look excellent. Yeah, those are fantastic. And again, you might say, well, why don't you 3D print those? I don't know, I just like the brass look, right? I mean, obviously I'll paint them, but I love the little detail, and I think it's just, I don't know, it's a little less messy than 3D printing. Plus, I love supporting guys in this hobby that are doing cool things for this hobby. Last and not least, some 1/64 scale Massey Ferguson suitcase weights. So I got a particular Massey Ferguson tractor in mind for that. In fact, the one that's on the picture there should give you a bit of a hint. Anyway, you'll see that down the road. So anyway, very excited for those. Love the detail on those and all of that. So you guys, you just have to let me know what you think of all my finds here, or my pickups from Mr. Kent Lowen and Tractor Fab. So you have to check them out online. They're all over the place. Facebook, they have their own website, obviously, Tractor Fab. I think they're on Instagram, if I remember correctly. Anyway, great people, super nice family to deal with, and they make really cool stuff like this. So thanks for watching, guys. Have yourselves an awesome day. Happy tractor hunting.